This one is for Patrick, the food hypnotist, just to show you how you can add a YouTube video. Obviously I've already added some. As always, Patrick, I use one tab to log into the back of the site and the other tab so that I can see any changes. If I refresh the screen on the front there, you'll actually see that I am logged in because all the little bits and pieces at the top here. So what I'm going to do is, firstly I'm going to show you on that page. So go to pages, meet the food hypnotist, which is the home page. I always work in the visual mode, which is where that little desktop icon is. Click on there. Now I can see everything. There's a block of text, and this one actually is another block of text, because when you click on the settings, module settings, you'll see there that code is what I got from YouTube to play your video. I'll move this out the way. I'll show you how to put a new one in. Okay, I'm going to use the same one actually because I don't. Right. So that one is on YouTube. What you do, you'll see you've got some buttons here. One says share. You click on that. You've got your options whether to put it on Facebook, Twitter, blah blah blah, but we want to embed. So you click that and you'll see a whole bunch of code over here on the right. Just simply copy and paste all of it. And go back to the page where you want to display it. I'm going to do this, but it's not actually going to happen, Patrick. It's just to show you. So I want to place it under that text this time. So I'd open a text module, which has already got a load of dummy text in there, so I'll get rid of that. Do this in the text setting rather than the visual. So put the cursor there, and I'm going to paste that code. Now this next one is a little bit trickier, but I'll show you why I'm doing it. So green tick box to say it's there. Now you'll notice that it's not filling out the full width of that column, which is the problem we had before, and I fixed it. How you do that, open those settings up, and you really need to do this really carefully. Where it's got the iframe width, you delete that 560 and replace it with 100%. Don't do that on the height, only on the width. And now you'll see it's filled that space right out there. And that's about it really. And then you just save the page as normal. But I'll take that off for now, because it was only really just to show you. I don't need to save the pages, I've not done anything there. Discard and exit. Right, the other thing was testimonials. So I go to the testimonial page, go into visual. I don't know why your images aren't displaying in here today. I think it's actually my computer. All you simply do, Patrick, is duplicate any one of these boxes wherever you want the new testimonial to go. So you highlight it and you'll see there, as you hover over these little icons, it tells you what they are, or rather it did, but that's to, duplicate module. So you click on that, it gives you exactly the same one underneath. You open the settings up and just change the text to whatever the new testimonial is. Click the arrow button. I'm going to delete that because again it's just for show, and save your page. It really is as simple as that. And I think that's it. I've done the video for text and images already.